So for problem number 9, symmetrical parabolic curve. A grade of negative 4.2%, grade intersect a grade of positive 3.0% at station 11 plus 488 of elevation 20.80 meters. These two center grade lines are to be connected by 260-meter vertical parabolic curve. So at what station is the cross drainage pipes be situated, and if the overall outside dimension of the reinforced concrete pipe is installed in 95 centimeters and the top of the culvert is 30 centimeters below the subgrade, what will be the invert elevation at the center? So here's our solution. First, we have to draw a diagram. So from the grade diagram, we have to solve the distance, horizontal distance from PC to the summit of the curve. In order to find that, S1 is over 0.042 is equals to 260 over 0.042 plus 0.03. So we just need algebraic manipulation. We can get 151.67 meters. Now we have to find D. D is equals to S1 minus 30. So just substitute the S1, which is equals to 151.67 minus 130. We can get 21.67 meters. So the cross drainage pipe should be at the lowest point of the curve, stationing at the lowest point indicated as point A in the figure. So we have to find the stationing at A, which is equals to stationing at PI plus D. So we have to substitute the values, which is 4,888 plus 21.67, which is D. We can get 11,509.67. So the stationing at A is equals to 11 plus 509.67 kilometers. So finding the invert elevation at the center, we have here vertical distance between PC and PI, which A is equals to 130.0042 is equals to 5.47. 130 is the distance of the one. 130 is a distance to the middle of the diagram. Now 0.042 is the grade, or negative 4.2%. So we have to multiply 130 and 0.042, which would be equal to 5.46 meters. So vertical distance between PC and the lowest point A. So we have to find the value of A sub 1, which is equals to 1/2 S1 times 0.042. S1 is equals to 151.67 meters. Now we have to find the elevation of the lowest point A. Elevation A is equals to elevation PI plus A minus A sub 1, which is elevation PI is equals to 20.80 plus 5.46. Nakuha na nato ning 5.46 nga A, and A sub 1 is equals to 3.18 man siya, which all equal to 23.08 meters. Now we have to find the elevation of the invert. Elevation of invert is equals to elevation of A minus 0.30 minus 0.95. So 23.08 mo na siya, gi-substitute na itong elevation point A minus 0.30 minus 0.95, which is equals to 21.83 meters. So we have our problem number 10, the symmetrical parabolic curve. As a descending grade of 6% and an ascending grade of 2% intersects at station 12 plus 200 kilometers, whose elevation is at 14.375 meters. The two grades are to be connected by the parabolic curve, 160 meters long. Find the elevation of the first quarter point on the curve. So our solution. So mugin na atong first nga tandaan, magbuhatag diagram sa kada problem. From the grade diagram, we have here, we have to find the horizontal distance na naman. So we just S1 is equals to 0.06 equals S1 over 0.06 is equals to 160 all over to 0.06 plus 0.02. Just algebraic manipulation, we can get 120 meters. A horizontal distance from the lowest point to point Q. So we have to find SQ, which is equals to S1 minus 40. So nakuha na ito ang S1, we can substitute 120 minus 40, which is equals to 80 meters. A grade point Q, or by ratio and proportion, we can use ratio and by proportion. We just substitute the value and get the GQ. So we just multiply SQ times 0.06 all over to S1. So ganun siya, which is equal to 0.04. So sunod na tong abuhaton ani, magkwantag kuhaon na tong elevation sa PC. So para makuha ang elevation sa PC, kailangan na ito ang elevation sa V og 80 times 0.06. Nganong 80 muna siya ang 1/2 sa ato ang distance sa overall distance times 0.06, which is also the subgrade. So elevation V is equals to 14.375 plus 80 times 0.06, which is equals to 19.175 meters. Difference in elevation between PC and point Q. Elevation PC minus Q is equals to shaded area of the grade diagram. So, asa man natong shaded area sa grade diagram? Kani. Mana siya? So, 1/2 is equals to GQ plus 0.06 times 40. Ang 40, kuha ni siya kanang first quarter sa point, which is equals to 2 meters. Elevation of the first quarter point Q. So, ang elevation of point Q equals na siya sa elevation of PC. Yung elevation of PC nakuha na nato, which is 19.175 minus elevation of PC minus Q, which is equals to 19.175 minus 2 na siya, and the answer is 17.175 meters. So that's the end of our problem. Thank you.